Hello, my name is Dr. John Cowie.
And I'm Dr. Gulati.
We're both dentists that love creating beautiful smiles.
And today we'll be talking all about how to get on with the Invisalign system.
Invisalign is a clever and modern way of straightening your teeth. When you have Invisalign, you wear a series of clear plastic aligners over your teeth, which look almost invisible. Most of the time, no one would ever notice them. If you look really closely in the mirror, you can see them. Did you notice? I'm wearing them now. When you have Invisalign, you have aligners which are custom manufactured to fit around your teeth. So each aligner is gradually pushing your teeth straighter, and every week you change and put a new aligner in, and each one is gradually making your teeth straighter and straighter. Now, the total amount of time it takes to have Invisalign varies from person to person, depending on how much tooth movement is needed. But for the average patient that I see, I'd say it takes around 6 to 8 months to get your teeth straight. A really simple case can be done in as few as 7 weeks, and a more complicated case might take 18 months.
So how long do you actually need to wear the aligners for? Well, the answer is full time, all the time, but it's actually really easy to do. You only remove them when you're eating and when you're cleaning them. They're really easy to clean at the same time as brushing your teeth. You can very easily clean your aligners. And for that one big occasion that's coming up, you can remove them. So if you had normal train track braces, they're stuck on. Whereas the flexibility that Invisalign gives you is that they can be removed. And that's great for dietary freedom as well. If you want to eat that crunchy sort of food which you love and you crave, with braces, you often are forbidden from eating those foods because it might break your braces. With Invisalign, you can eat what you want. The aligners feel nice and smooth against your cheeks. Unlike braces, which you can feel the metal wires poking and the brackets poking around, it gives you a nice smooth texture to feel. Another question we get is Invisalign painful? Well, firstly, there's no pain, no gain. But the amount of discomfort you get from Invisalign compared to braces, there's a huge difference. Invisalign is much more comfortable because it is smooth and it gives those gentle, continuous forces compared to braces, which, the stiffness of the metal can make your experience a bit more painful. I had braces and I had to have painkillers, but when I had Invisalign, it was a little bit uncomfortable, but it's something that your teeth adapt to very quickly.
Talking from first-hand experience of having Invisalign on my teeth, I'd say the main reason to do Invisalign is because it makes your teeth look good and it makes you confident and gives you confidence in smiling. Having straighter teeth also makes them easier to clean, and it can improve how you bite together and how well you can chew your food. One of the great things about Invisalign is it uses 3D computer modelling to plan the final position of your teeth. And we can plan different final positions of your teeth and compare them before you've even started any treatment. So we can see the end result before you've actually made any commitment. So the computer 3D modeling is a big advantage of Invisalign.
Invisalign is a tool, it's a system. How good of a result you get will actually depend on your dentist and their skills and experience. So it's not like when you buy an iPhone, when you get an iPhone, it's going to be the same iPhone as the next person. When you're getting Invisalign, there is something you need to consider, which is the skill set of the dentist and their previous experience of using the system, and that will greatly impact the result that you will get. Now, getting a beautiful smile is more than just having straight teeth. I want to see how those teeth are framed within your lips, within your smile, and within your face. So really, when we talk about making a beautiful smile, we have to look at all these characteristics because they together make a beautiful smile, not just the teeth straightening. When we're planning beautiful smiles, we also look at how high the lip goes when you smile. How much gum do you show when you smile? Is the middle of the teeth in line with the middle of your face? And are there any other characteristics such as angles of the teeth that need to be corrected to get the right contours? As professionals, we've come a long way in what makes a beautiful smile. And because of that, there's never been a better time to have a smile makeover. This was our introductory video, but if you like what you see, check out some of our other videos where we're going to go a bit more into the process of having Invisalign so you can raise your dental IQ. We're going to finish this video with some example smiles that we've done on our very grateful patients using the Invisalign system.